Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel BIM with Corey. So in today's video we will learn how to create walls automatically in Revit using Dynamo. So guys, this method saves a lot of time and is very useful for BIM automation and repetitive tasks. So let's straight jump into Revit and Dynamo. Here I have opened a Revit file, a new Revit page, and to open Dynamo we need to go to the Manage tab and just click on the Dynamo. It will take some time to open. Okay, so it is opened. We will take a new Dynamo page, create new. So for this video we would be requiring a CAD. So I have created a CAD file which we will insert. So see, this simple CAD file I have created. These lines basically convert into the walls when I will insert it in Revit and use script. Okay, I will check the units. See, I have kept the unit as millimeters and our Revit units are also in millimeters. So it will be easy for us to create. See, I have closed it and will import it in Revit. Okay, let's go to the Insert tab, Import CAD. Guys, so we will keep it as manual center and this Dynamo block I'll keep it as current view only, and I have linked it. I kept it as manual center because it will be easy for this to link. Maybe it is not a good practice, but for this video it is easy to link it. Okay, I have inserted it. Now let's go to the Dynamo. So the first node that we are going to be using is select model element. This will be used to select the CAD. Select model element. See, I have added this node. So first thing that I have told you in previous videos also that we should keep it as manual instead of automatic. Okay, so now let's select the model element which is our CAD. See, I have selected it and see it will, after giving it run, it will be okay. So first one is so for the further video we would be requiring a Dynamo package which I have already downloaded. Dynamo package name is BIMWork Node. It is available here. I'll show you. See, you can download this Dynamo package BIM Morph Nodes. See, you can simply install it for creating the walls from here. Okay, it will be very easier to install. I have already installed it for my video. See here, we are using this. Okay, so next node that we are going to use is here. CAD curves from CAD layer. So this requires import instance and this is the import instance. I will connect it as here. Now layer name, it basically requires the name of the layers. Okay, so we need to check. I have kept the layer name, I have kept my all CAD layers in layer 0, so I am naming it as 0 simply. I have connected it here, layer name 0. Okay, the next node we require is, let's see what this node has taken. Watch. We'll connect this watch node to here. See, it is not showing any input. Let's run the script. See, it is showing the input. Here, all these are the points of the CAD. And basically, in the background, the CAD is created. It's a bit bigger. That is why it's showing like this. Now let's go back to our script. Next node we would be requiring. Now we got the points. We simply need to create the walls. For creating walls, we need to go to the Revit and then elements, and we will simply take one wall node to create walls. Okay, so here I want to create walls. So we can use any of these nodes, but I am taking this node. This is much easier. I don't need to give the heights manually. I will simply connect the walls. So it requires curve points. So these are the points of the curve. Okay, then start level, end level and wall type. For the start level input, we will select level. Simple. Levels. You can select level name, level 0. Start level is level 0. I want my walls to start from level 0. And end level is levels. End level is I want to keep my wall to level 1. Okay. I need wall type. I can select wall type, any of the type that I want. Okay, so I want to this as exterior wall, exterior brickwork. Okay, so let's run the script. Okay, see, these walls are created just from the CADs, and see how easier it is to create these walls. Also, you can create different types of walls. Like if you want to like keep these walls as exterior walls and internal walls as internal walls as different types, we can create different layers in CAD. That would be easier. Okay, so this is how you can create walls in Revit using Dynamo. Okay, this approach improves speed, accuracy, and BIM efficiency. If you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next BIM tutorial. Thanks.